What if I told you that your iPhone can play Halo, Forza, or even GTA 5 without a console in sight? Chapter 1. Why play Xbox games on your iPhone, iPad? Let's be real. Gaming on your TV is cool, but gaming in bed, on the toilet, or during a boring family gathering, whether you're traveling or just lazying on the couch, with Xbox Cloud Gaming or Remote Play, your iPhone can go from selfie machine to sniper rifle in seconds. Chapter 2. Method 1. Xbox Cloud Gaming. No console needed. What you'll need: Xbox Game Pass. Ultimate, around $15 a month. iPhone XR or newer, iOS 14.4 Plus. Safari browser, Bluetooth Xbox controller or compatible one. Fast internet. Minimum 10 megabits per second, 20 plus is better. 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. How to set it up. Open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Visit xbox.com/play. Log in with your Microsoft account tied to Game Pass. Tap Share and add to home screen. Boom. Now it's like an Xbox app icon. Pair your controller. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, press the pair button on your controller and connect. Tap your game and you're in. Chapter 3. Method 2. Xbox Remote Play. Console needed. What you'll need: Xbox One, Series S or Series X, iPhone XR or newer, iOS 13 Plus, Xbox app. Download it from App Store. Your Xbox controller, same Wi-Fi network or strong internet, same Microsoft account on both devices. On your Xbox, press the Xbox button. Head to Profile and System, Settings, Devices and Connections and Remote Features. Enable remote features and switch power mode to Instant On. On your iPhone, iPad, open the Xbox app and sign in. Go to My Library Consoles. Select your console and tap Remote Play on this device. Pair your controller, same steps as before. Select your game and play anywhere from the bedroom to Bali. Chapter 4. How to connect an Xbox controller to iPhone, iPad. Go to Settings, Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. Press the Xbox button to turn the controller on. Hold the pair button until the Xbox logo blinks. On your phone, tap Xbox wireless controller under available devices. Done. Game on. Also works with PlayStation DualSense, Backbone One, Razer Kishi, or 8-bit Do, if you're feeling fancy. Chapter 5. Best devices for Xbox gaming on iOS. iPhones, 12 and above, skip the SEs. iPads, iPad Pro, 3rd Gen and newer. Chapter 6. Bonus tips for flawless gameplay. Use 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi for low latency. Avoid background downloads while gaming. Enable Do Not Disturb to block calls notifications. Use landscape mode for better controls and visuals. Add cloud gaming to your home screen for quick launch. Carry a controller clip for on-the-go gaming. So, there you have it, and don't forget to subscribe to AeireinTech.